Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and well, and you have done your previous work which I have given to you. I will recall the previous knowledge. We have learnt about different sentences, type of sentences in your textbook, which we have learnt in our previous chapter about different type of sentences. We have learned different type of sentences. First was declarative. Declarative is a sentence that make a statement. Then interrogative question, interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask questions. Then we are having imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a request or a command. Then is exclamatory sentence that shows us the feelings, okay, and emotions. And we learnt about contractions, different contraction. What are contraction? Contraction is a shortened form of word which we use, which we cut the one or more than one alphabet and put an apostrophe. These are called contractions, and these are the full form of the words. This was your previous knowledge which I have recalled, and I hopefully you all have done the work with me. Now in today's, what we will do, open your workbooks. Today we are having work to do in our workbooks. Open your workbook, page number 7. Here it is, your workbook, page number 7, sugar and spice, the magician's trick. Okay beta, before starting this lesson, this exercise, I will tell you about comprehension passage. I have told you in class 2 as well and in class 1 as well. Comprehension passage, we are having a paragraph in the passage, and we are given the related questions to that paragraph, and the answer of those questions are in the paragraph. So now today we are also having a dictation paragraph. A magician's trick. Magicians, who is magician? Magician, the one who shows the magic, जादूगर जिसे हम कहते हैं. ट्रिक कहते हैं हम चाल, वो जो हमें मैजिक सिखाते हैं. This is a paragraph, and here there are the related questions. What we will do, we will read the paragraph and we will answer the questions, or we will put the fill in the blanks or true and false. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now the magician is saying, greeting the audience, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to show a trick. He is saying that he will show you a trick. चाल, एक मैजिक दिखाएगा. I take a piece of paper and write a magic word on it. What did he did? He took a piece of paper and he write a word, and he wrote one word on that page. I also draw a bird on it, and he draw a bird as well. Now I place this paper in a box and close the box. Now what he did, after writing the word on the page and a picture of a bird, he folded the page and put it in the box. Then look, I shake this box. Then what he did, he shake the box. उसने box को हिलाया. Please hold your breath. Now he is saying to the audience, hold your breath. I will be open this box before you. Look, a bird is flying out of the box. Now what was the magic trick here? That he wrote a word and draw a picture of a bird, but when he put it in the box, a real bird came out of that box. This was the trick which magician showed to the audience. Now look at the question. Use the word bank, fill in the blanks to explain what the magician was doing. One is done for you. Now here we are having a word bank, and what we have to do is we have to complete this word bank in this, fill in the blanks, and we have to complete that what did magician did. Took, flew, उड़ना, wrote, लिखना, opened, खोलना, closed, बंद, drew, draw करना, placed, रखना. Now look first. The magician took a piece of paper. We all are aware that magician took a piece of paper. He dashed a magic word on it. What did he did? He wrote a magic word on it. Take out your pencils and you have to write here wrote. He wrote a magic word on it. He also dashed a bird on it. He also drew the bird on it. What did he did? Drew. Then he then dashed the paper in the box. What did he did? He placed, उसने रखा, placed the paper in a box and the lid of the box, and dashed the lid of the box and closed the lid of the box. Lid उसका ढक्कन. When he dashed the box, what did he did again? When he opened the box, a bird dash came out of it. A bird flew out of it. Now the para is completed. We have wrote the words from the word bank which are explaining the magician's trick. Read it out with me. The magician took a piece of paper. He wrote a magic word on it. He also drew a bird on it. He then placed the paper in the box and closed the lid of the box. When he opened the box, a bird flew out of it. Now we are completed with this. Now look at next question. B. Tick the correct word given in the bracket. Now in the bracket we are having the words related to the paragraph. What we have to do? We have to tick the correct word. Number 1. A wizard, fairy, magician is speaking in the passage. Who is speaking in the passage? Wizard, jinn, fairy, pari, या magician, जादूगर. We all are aware he was a magician. Number 2. He was going to act, show, present. What he was going to do? He was going to show a film, a pack of cards, or a trick. What he was showing to us? He was showing us a trick, chal. To the audience, public, children. Who were sitting there? Audience. To the audience. He asked the audience to close their eyes, clap their hands, or hold their breath. What did he told? He told the audience to hold your breath. We will take this one. Do it with me. Number 4. When he opened the box, a piece of a paper, a drawing of a bird flew out of it. What happened when he opened a box? When he opened the box, a drawing of a bird flew out. The name of the bird which he have written and as well as drawn on that paper, that bird came out. Now this was your comprehension, passage, paragraph and answers. Now look here. Here are again match the full forms under A with their short form under B. Short form, contraction and full forms. One side we are having contraction, short forms, and on other side we are having full form. What we have to do is we have to match it. Take out your pencil and do the matching with me. Is not. Here it is full form. Is not. What is a short form? Isn't. You have to match it with the scale. Why? Because we have put an apostrophe and we have removed O. Are not. What is a short form? Aren't. Cannot. Can't. Does not. Doesn't. Will not. Won't. Then on the next side, he is, it, it's, I will, I'll, I am, what is, what's. Okay, these are the short forms we are having, the contraction which is called contraction, and the full forms. You all must be aware that when we are writing the short form of the word, or we are writing the word in a contraction, we put a apostrophe. Now turn the page. Here we are also having a question again, same of contractions. Write the full form of the underlined words. Underlined words are the contraction. We have to write the full form. I am very hungry. Now what is the full form? I am. This is the full form of this word. Okay students, now we have finished up with our previous work. Now we will start our new English language. Now today we are again having one English language lesson. Okay, now first, before explaining the lesson, what I have wrote for you, read the given sentences. Now I have wrote the sentences for you. First, it is a question. I asked my mother, can I play now? Now it's a question. Now when a girl is answering a question, what he wrote, she said yes you can. And it can also be like, the answer can also be like, she said no you can't. Mother can give reply in yes also, and mother can give reply in no also. Whenever somebody asks us a question, we can give two replies, whether it is yes or whether it's no. Like when you come into your class, you take a permission, teacher may I come in? Now it's my choice. I will say you yes, come in. So it means it's yes, you will come. No, don't come in. Now we are having two answers. Like, can I play now? Mother, I asked my mother, can I play now? Now she's asking, a girl is asking her mother, can she play? What did mother reply? Mother can give two replies. She said yes you can. She said no you can't. Now here you look at these two sentences answers, yes, no. Now today the topic is positive sentence, negative sentence. From these sentences, I think you came to know that when an answer is in favor or when answer is in yes, so that sentence is positive sentence. And when answer is in no, so it is the negative sentence. मतलब पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, मुस्बत और मनफी जुमले. मुस्बत पॉजिटिव, मनफी नेगेटिव. Today the topic is positive and negative sentence. From this sentence you can identify that she said yes you can. Now here it is yes, so this is the positive sentence. The reply is in your favor. But she said no you can't. Now here the sentence structure is changed. No you can't, it's mean no, it is not in your favor. The sentences, positive sentences are in your favors and negative sentences are not in your favor. Now here I have wrote a short definitions for you. Positive sentence. What is positive sentence? Positive sentence is a simple statement. It is a simple statement which is in our favor. ठीक है? Which is in our favor. It's like, for example, Ali is a good boy. It's a simple statement. Ali is a good boy. Mother loves her children. Mother loves her children. He will come tomorrow. वो कल आएगा. Now these are the simple sentences. Positive sentences. Ali is a good boy. Ali एक अच्छा बच्चा है. ये अच्छी बात है. ये positive है. Mother loves her children. Mother अपने बच्चों को प्यार करती है. ये भी अच्छी बात है. He will come tomorrow. वो कल आएगा. वो भी अच्छी बात है. These are called positive. Now negative sentence shows negligence. जो इनकार में हो, जो sentences हमें इनकार करें, जिसमें इनकार का इजहार हो कि no you can't, that sentences are negative. Negative sentences which are not in your favor, जो आपके हक में ना हो, that are called negative sentences. Which words are used for the negative sentences? Not, नहीं, no, नहीं, never, कभी नहीं, nobody, कोई नहीं, no one, कोई नहीं, can't, don't, won't. ये सारे वो सेंटेंसेस हैं जिसमें no या not यूज़ हो रहा है. जिन सेंटेंसेस में where the sentences don't or not is used, it will identify the negative sentence. And the sentence which is in your favor, that will identify the positive sentence. Now what I have did for you, I have wrote the examples of positive sentences. I have changed the positive sentences example into negative, so you can identify easily. Now here it is in the positive sentence, Ali is a good boy. Now when this sentence, if I ask a question, how is Ali? Now we expect two answers, good or bad. Good is the positive, bad is the negative. Now Ali is a good boy. It's a positive. And if I say Ali is not a good boy, so here the word not is identifying you the negative sentence. Here the not is identifying you the negative sentence. I have changed the positive sentence into the negative sentence. Now, second, mother loves her children. It's a simple statement. If I convert this statement into negative, mother don't love her children. Now here the word don't is the word which is identifying the negligence, or the sentence is in not in our favor. Now he will come tomorrow. It's a simple statement. Yes, positive. But if I change this positive sentence into negative, what will I write? He will not come tomorrow. Here the word not is identifying the negative sentence. It's a simple topic, not so much hard or difficult for you. These sentences also show us the ability. How? He can run fast. If a sentence is he can run fast, now it's ability. ये उसकी खूबी है, उसकी ability है कि वो तेज भाग सकता है. But if we change into the negative, what it will be? He can't run fast. कि वो तेज नहीं भाग सकता. Now, what is this sentence showing? This is showing that he is not having the ability. So the negative and positive sentences also shows us the ability. Now what you have to do is, you all have to open your textbook page number 13. Let's learn grammar. Answer the following questions giving both yes, positive sentences always yes, and negative no answers. Now here we are having a sentence, ठीक है, or a question. We have to give the answer in two ways, positive also and negative also. Now first is, it is my birthday today. Now we have Madiha is asking. Mother will answer in two ways, negative and positive. Yes, it is your birthday. Now in no, it is not your birthday. Now two replies, positive and negative. We have answered two replies. Then next, mother, are you feeling well today? Maid, no. I am not feeling well today. Now in positive, yes, I am. Now here it will not come no. Feeling well today. Now here you can look, it is showing the ability also. That mother is saying, mother can answer no, I'm feeling not well today, and she can also say yes, I'm feeling well today. Now rest 3 and 4, you will do it by yourself. You will answer it. Did she sing well last night? Asked my neighbor. Yes, she sang well last night, I replied. Positive negative कैसे लिखेंगे? No, she didn't sing well last night. Teacher, do you know Ashraf's brother? Student, yes, I know Ashraf's brother. No, I don't know Ashraf's brother. ठीक है? Do I have done? You too, you will do. And on workbook page number 8 and 9, these are also you are having the positive. Answer the questions by giving both positive yes and negative no answer to with the reason. Here are the positives and here are the questions. You have to answer in yes or no. ठीक है? This is also your homework. You will do it by yourself with the help of your parents. Okay students, now here is a dialogue between a policeman and a little boy. ठीक है? Dialogue किसे कहते हैं? Dialogue is a conversation between the two person or more than two person. ठीक है? Now here is a dialogue. Read it with me. Policeman, why are you crying, child? Policeman asked, why are you crying? Little boy, I am lost. I can't find mummy. मैं गुम गया हूँ, मुझे मेरी मदर नहीं मिल रही. Policeman, what is your name and what is your father's name? Now policeman asked about the child father and his name. Little boy, my name is Umar, my father name is Adil Butt. Now he told the name of his father and his own name. Policeman, do you know where you live? Now he is asking, आप कहाँ रहते हो? Little boy, I live near this market. Mummy was buying vegetable and started running after a kitten. ठीक है? Now he is telling that what happened. They were shopping and suddenly my mother ran towards the kitten. So he stopped here. Starts crying again. Again he start crying. I want mummy. Policeman. Okay, I'll find your mother. Now he says I will find your mother. Come with me to the market. मेरे साथ market आए. I will announce your name and she will come to you. I will announce the name and your mother will come to you. The policeman held the little boy's hand. उसका हाथ पकड़ा. He took him to the market and announced over the mic. Mic में बोला, please Mrs. Adil, come near the post box. Your son Umar is waiting for you. He told that please come near the post box. Your child is waiting. Umar, clapping his hands, there is mummy. He runs to her. I am not lost. Now the mother comes and Umar runs towards the mother. Umar's mother, oh thank you so much officer for helping my son. Now Umar's mother is saying thank you to policeman. Policeman, madam, take care that he does not get lost again. Now he said, take care of your son. He could not be lost. Now what you have to do, I have read that paragraph for you. You can take a screenshot from your screen. ठीक है? And you will answer. The teacher will read out the dialogue. Listen carefully and answer the questions. I have read it for you. ठीक है? Now you will answer the questions listening my dialogue. Why was boy crying? What did the policeman ask him? How